Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a tuxedo black 68 Camaro with a GM Performance 454 under the hood. You're gonna love checking it out. Go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it on the lift so you can see just how nice the bottom is. We're gonna pop the hood, fire up that 454. We're gonna go out and drive it. We're gonna look at the interior. We're gonna look inside the trunk. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your Camaro investment. So come on up and we'll fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out, man. Black with white stripes. Those white stripes are buried under the clear. The chrome on the front bumper looks good. The grille looks like it's brand spanking new. The cowl hood looks so tough on this thing. And did I mention it's got a GM Performance 454 under the hood? And look at those Kragers, man. I love the way the car sets too. Just like when I was in high school, man. You gotta jack up the back a little bit. This thing is so tough, and I tell you what, it drives tough too. I've actually already driven the car and had a blast with it. Now we've got great looking pinch welds here, great looking paint work. The latch looks like it's new. You can hear the buzzers working. We got great looking interior here. The door panel looks good. The carpeting looks great. The car does not have a center console. It's just got the Hurst shifter in there. It does have shoulder belts, and it does have seat belts in the rear. Headliner's in good shape. Dome lights working. All the gauges there under the dash are working. It's got a tack sitting there on the hump. The faces on the gauges look great. And grab the key here and we will take a look inside the trunk. Quarter panel straight as can be. Chrome looks good. Chrome looks good here on the tail lights. Now these are all things that you need to be taking a look at when you're looking at buying a car. Of course, that's the wrong key. Try this one. That one works. Inside the trunk, look at that. It looks brand spanking new in there. All the gutters here are painted up nice. The rubber looks good. Bottom side of the deck lid looks nice. The lips look good. When you look down the side of the car, she's straight as can be. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this Camaro. We've taken the time to check it out before we bought it. Right now we have a little over 225 cars in stock, and we brought in 47 cars this month. So we've always got new stuff coming in. And I'm involved in buying every one of those cars here at Vanguard. So what that means to you is you're getting my 35 plus years of experience helping you pick out your dream car. All right, let's take our Camaro for a ride. 4-speed tuxedo black. She's ready to go, guys. Sounding great, looking great. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this Camaro anywhere in the world. So just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. Now, we sell about 95% of our cars sight unseen. So we'd love to have you come in and check out the car in person. Or if you want to send an inspector, no problem whatsoever. We'll treat the inspector just like we treat you. We're real close to the airport, so if you want to fly in, it's only about a 20-minute drive from the airport. We'll even come down to the airport and pick you up. We're here on Saturdays if you want to drive in. No problem whatsoever. Just call Tom, let him know you're coming. We do have 225 cars in stock and over 80,000 square feet indoor storage. So every now and then we got to move a couple cars to get your favorite car out. So do me a favor, call Tom, let him know you're coming so we can make sure we got your favorite car right up front where we can get at it. get out here in traffic here and listen to these pipes. Now we do help with financing too. We got about 3 different bankers we work with on financing. Oh, what was that? Squealing the tires a little bit in second gear. Anyway, back to the bankers. Takes about 15 minutes talking to the bankers on the phone, and we can get this dream in your drive. If you'd like to fill out the app online, we can do that too. Just go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. Now we're gonna do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're gonna pop the hood, show you the motor. We've already driven it. Nobody else in the industry does that for you guys. Now here's our building right here at 15100 Keel Street. So you got to stick with us right now because we're going to get it up in the air for you right now so you can check out the underside. Then we're going to pop the hood and take a look at the motor. All right, we're underneath this black Camaro now, and man, she's sharp under here. You can see it's got a brand new tank, brand new straps, brand new springs, brand new shackles, brand new exhaust. Drop downs look good here. These are all things you need to look at when you're looking at these cars. 12-bolt rear end. It is a 373 gear, and it is posi. Great sounding mufflers here. These things are just loud enough to sound nice and tough. Frame is solid as a rock. You always want to look at the pinch weld here where the floorboard goes to these inner wheelhouses. That's a good telltale sign on the car. Pinch weld on the floorboards looks good. Fuel line looks like it's brand new, and so does the brake line. Parking brake cables are new. Floorboards are nice and clean. Exhaust is new all the way to the front. We got new bushings here in the frame. We do have the 4-speed manual transmission with the cast bell housing, and it does have the stock clutch linkage. Long tube headers here, disc brakes up front, drums in the back, and the guys will pull those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. Let's see, what else do I see? It looks like brand new ball joints, brand new bushings in that big old sway bar there. The bushings and the lower control arms also look new. Cross member looks good. Core support looks good. It does have a cross flow radiator. Front frame horns are straight. I see brand new hardware on the bumper. Bumper looks like it's brand new. Chin spoiler looks good. Paint work on the lower. Valance here's looking great. Just an amazing car, guys. Let's look at those wheels and tires. With some great looking Kragers on this baby, I tell you what. Let's see, 205 6015s up front. Paint work right down to the bottom edge of the front fenders looking good. And you always want to feel around up here. All I feel is nice and smooth metal there on the back side of that front fender. That pinch weld looks good, and the paint works nice and clean on the bottom side of the rocker. Let's check the rear. All right, we got meat back here where the horsepower's meeting the road. We got 275 6015s on the same good looking Kragers. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood of this one, we've got brand new GM Performance power here too. 454, 435 horsepower. It's got a Holly 4-barrel on it. Looks like it's got an electric choke. It's got dual feed on it. It's got an Excel distributor in it. That's a HEI distributor, guys. MSD wires. Looks like it's got a Delco top on the battery. Make it look like an old-fashioned battery. We've got the cross-flow radiator. We've got power steering, power brakes. Now the booster and the master cylinder look new. All the brake lines look new. Headers are nicely coated. All the lines look good under here. All the wiring looks nice and tight. All the paint work on the inner fenders, the firewall, the bottom side of the hood, even the fiberglass looks like it's been replaced. And they've got this nice piece of stainless here closing out the radiator support here. I'll tell you, she's beautiful under the hood, guys. She's a Camaro. It's black. It's got white stripes. It's got a brand new GM Performance crate motor in it. It's ready to go. Call us, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.